Hi guys, it's Peter Howells here again. You may have seen these photos up in our little cabin in the orchard. Sorry about this, little Riley's wanting strokes. Hello. So thought I'd do another vlog about showing you how we made them. So we wanted to try and bring the pallet seat into the kind of cabin. So we've got some old pallet pieces, and literally I'm going to sort of put a frame together with the photos like that and screw this in, which will hold the 5 pieces together. I'm going to cut along here, and then we're going to move them so they're not equal to make it a bit more quirky, but we'll come back to that and you'll see what I mean. All I've done really here is just printed out some pictures of the wildlife that we've taken around the area, and just printed them out, laminated them. I'm going to mark along here, which I've done there, and then cut these so that I can start building the frame. Here we are in the man cave. What I'm going to do is I've obviously marked the planks, and just going to use the circular saw to cut through on the marks that I've done. So I've just stapled this in place, and then what I'm going to do next is I've got 2 batons here that I'm just going to line up like that, and then just screw through, and that will hold the 5 planks behind. So there we are, I've got my pallet frame, screwed in the bars. I mean, if you wanted to make it a bit more professional, you could turn it over and screw in this way, and then obviously when you come back to this way you wouldn't have seen the screws. But to be honest with you, because it's for an outdoor cabin, I just thought it doesn't matter. It's supposed to be rustic. The idea is you're supposed to be looking at the photos of the wildlife. So 1 done, 2 to go. I've got my frame. I'm going to screw them in and put wire across so that I can hang them up outside. These are quite annoying to kind of get started, so sometimes I find it easier just to get a little drill, start a little hole like that, and then that gives me the hole to get going like that. I've now done the last one, and I've put the wire on so you can see that I can hang it up, and if I turn it around you can see the finished photo frame. So just as a display, these are the 3 that I've done. If you want to see these in situ, have a look at my other vlog for building a garden cabana. I hope you enjoyed my vlog about how to build a simple photo frame, and perhaps give it a try yourselves. If you have any comments, please write them below, and I'll see you soon. Cheers guys, bye.